How's it going, YouTube? So this morning I was supposed to go out with my boy Ant, and he was going to take me to a undisclosed location to catch a big old pike and perch. Unfortunately, I overslept, so I didn't get a chance to get out there and catch some huge monsters. Anyway, shout out to Fishing with Friends. That's Ant's channel. You should check him out. Anyway, I'm here after work, and we're gonna see what we can get into over here. Hopefully I can catch a couple of nice perch, and maybe I can get a decent sized pike. We'll see. Wish me luck. Don't worry. Be happy. Damn, I can't sing. Holy crap, somebody's got a damn canoe in here. The water is actually quite clear considering this time. Normally it's fairly murky. Yeah, there's a lot of action going on over there. They are jumping all over the place. I have to check it out. Oh yeah, we got to get over there, folks. Some crazy action. Ah. Okay, y'all, I'm here. Whoa, okay. That was a huge hole. All right, Watson, let's try not to fall in the river. Oh, hell. Oh, man, this is no way to start. I may even want to go to like a crankbait or a spinner or something. Something more lively. Ah, get off of there. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Finally got a decent cast. Get off of there. Come on, show me some love. All right, we'll adjust. All right, we're gonna leave the bag over here. See if we can get in there where they are. One, two, three. All right in the bush. Or right in the tree. Looks like it may be a lot of small ones. All right, y'all. I think I gotta hit that with a different angle. There is a lot of action going on over there. Stirred up something there. Little ones. All right. Oh, there we go. That's a pike. Come on, guy Smiley. I got you. You ain't gonna more. You ain't going nowhere. I can't get my net out. Oh, come on, Scott. Oh. Yeah, boy.